Hey everyone, today we're making the beautiful Nutella-filled sourdough discard snowflake. This is great for the holidays or really any time of year. What you're going to need is full-fat milk, butter, sugar, salt, eggs, and active yeast, and don't forget the Nutella. We're going to start with 200 grams or 1 cup of room temperature milk and a 1/4 cup of white sugar or 50 grams, and 1 packet of active or instant yeast. Mix that together until the sugar is well dissolved. You can do this by hand or you can use your stand mixer, it's up to you. And then we're going to add about 100 grams or 1/2 cup of sourdough discard. And mix that just to incorporate everything. Next, we're going to add in 2 room temperature eggs. And mix until the eggs are well mixed in. I also added a little bit of vanilla bean paste I got from Trader Joe's. Costco also has a really great vanilla bean paste that they sell during the holidays. This is just a little bit more affordable. And now we're just going to go ahead and switch this to our dough hook because we're going to be adding our flour. We're adding in 540 grams or 4 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to add about half the flour first, and then we're going to be adding a little bit of flour at a time until it's nice and shaggy. At this point, add 2 teaspoons of salt. And then we're adding 100 grams, which is almost a full stick of butter at room temperature. Go ahead and mix that. And you want to mix this until it starts pulling away from the side of the bowl. Then cover her, let her rest, and let her double. Once she's double, we're going to go ahead and split this into 4 equal balls, about 270 grams each. And then roll them into about 10-inch discs. We're placing the discs on a pizza sheet with parchment paper, and we're going to go ahead and start spreading our Nutella. We're going to repeat this for 3 of the discs and leave the top one without anything on it. You also want to make sure that when you're spreading the Nutella to just leave the edges of the dough without anything. That way when you pinch them later, they'll stick together. And then once you have all of your layers stacked up, you're going to place a small cup or whatever you can use with a small circle, and then we're going to cut these into 4 and then go ahead and split those 4s in half. So you have about 8 equal slices. And then you're going to cut them again, making 16 equal slices. Now it's time to shape. You're going to take 2 pieces and you're going to roll them outward and then pinch the ends together. And when you're done, it will look like this. Now we're going to go ahead and make our egg wash, which is just 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water. We're going to mix that well and brush the entire snowflake. We're baking this at 350 degrees or until it's nice and golden brown. And she is beautiful. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle this with just a little bit of powdered sugar. And now she's ready to serve. Enjoy. Until next time, happy baking.